Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is prayers never change people. Prayers never change anything, they change people, and then people change everything. Ladies and gentlemen, without making efforts in our life, if we want to bear fruits, it is not possible in any way. So whatever you want to achieve in your life, you need to make little bit efforts for that, and it is all because of your own specific efforts that you get everything that you want in your life. If you think that only by praying and not taking necessary steps you will get everything in your life, that is not at all a possibility, ladies and gentlemen. Hard work is the only key to success. Just praying is not the key to success. But I must say that prayer has got its own value in society, in human life particularly. If you pray sincerely, God listens to that prayer and definitely gives you what you want. But God only tells you that how you have to do something. God develops in you the motivation, the zeal to do something in life. But even after showing path by God, you are not following that path, you are going to get nothing, ladies and gentlemen. God has given you courage, God has given you this body, God has given you energy in this body. God has given you brain, and you can utilize that brain in every possible manner. But if you are not utilizing that brain, how else God can help you? Ladies and gentlemen, this entire creation is of God. It is God who has given us birth. It is God who has given us everything in life. But still, if we do not make our own efforts, how can we get what we want? If students of professional college, they don't study throughout their semester, and at the end of semester and when the semester examinations are near, they start praying that, oh God, please get me 60, please get me 70%, 85%. Do you think it is possible that they will ever get 75% or 80%? By not studying and just by praying? Not possible, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I try to realize this thing, that in human life, God has given us certain caliber. And depending on that caliber, we perform our task. But if God has given us caliber and still we are not performing our duty, how can we achieve what we want to achieve? That's why, ladies and gentlemen, we need blessings of God. We definitely need blessings of God. We should pray God with whatever is our ritual. We may belong to any religion. Whatever is our ritual related to prayer, we must follow all those methods sincerely and dedicatedly. This is our responsibility, to pray to gods, to keep our gods happy. So to whatever religion you may belong, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, whatever may be your religion, you pay homage to your God, you pay respect to your God, and you pray to your God in whatever method you like. But only by praying your wishes are not going to be fulfilled. In order to fulfill your wishes, you need to work hard in that specific direction which you want to achieve in your life. Only then it is possible that you will achieve success in your life, ladies and gentlemen. Most of the times we are so much dependent on prayer that we think that without making any efforts, only prayer will give us what we want. But this is not true. Sometimes the students, especially students I am talking about, they are in this huge misconception that only by praying and not studying, they will get everything. But ladies and gentlemen, without honest efforts, you cannot get anything in life. You will never get anything in life. That's why try to realize your own responsibility towards your life. As a student, try to analyze your own responsibility that you have to study. As a working professional, try to analyze your own responsibility that you have to show your best in your domain. Only then you will get promotion and increment in salary. Ladies and gentlemen, blessings of God are always there with you. But without your own honest efforts, those blessings are not going to bring you any benefit. Always remember this. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.